We packed up the house, kissed the city.
Now, there is a million things to see here. At the moment, I'm inside one of the coaches, which is on display here, which is crazy.
Got the caravan rolling, heading west again. The highway's calling out our names.
I'm not gonna pronounce this right. I think it's called Nigretta Falls.
Every night feels wild and free, 'cause we're quitting and tripping, living out loud, no suits, no ties.
The Quittin and Trippin Christmas, and we've got a lamb to put on the spit, about to start the fire. We've made our phone calls, it's almost 12 o'clock and it's almost 4 o'clock somewhere, so we're gonna have a couple of cheeky ones to relax, so Merry Christmas.
Quitting and tripping, that's the life we're living, rolling on through this great Aussie land.
Good morning. We are leaving the coast today and heading inland. So we finished the Great Ocean Road. Still confused as to where the Great Ocean Road ended, because even when you Google like Wannon, it's coming up all about the Great Ocean Road being a town on the Great Ocean Road, but it's not. Anyway, we are heading to Hamilton today. We're staying in a caravan park for a couple of nights, and then we have a house sit lined up over Christmas. So we're looking after 3 Kelpies, which will be awesome. So yeah, we're looking forward to having a house for a week.
Tonight we're going to do a banh mi, which banh mi is all in the pork. Now, I've been really terrible with pork my whole life until we got an air fryer. So I'm going to show you how I air fry pork belly. And I start off with 2 simple steps. 1, I score the pork after I've let it dry in the fridge for a day. I use a really sharp knife or I'll use a razor. Then I will boil the pork for 10 to 15 minutes. Why do I do that? Well, this is a great technique to get that real porky, fatty taste out of the meat. So now that has dried out. I found tins that are the perfect size. And I'm just gonna put mustard, Dijon mustard, around the meat part and then leave the skin exposed so it gets all the heat. I'm then going to put some salt onto the skin, chuck it straight in that air fryer, and let's see how it turns out. None for you, Mr. Boy. If you do find yourself in Hamilton, just as you come into the town, there is an amazing Ansett Museum. This is where Ansett started out with Sir Reginald Ansett. Now, there is a million things to see here. At the moment, I'm inside one of the coaches, which is on display here, which is crazy. He went from a Studebaker driving a one-person taxi by himself, to buses, and then to creating the airline. So come and check it out. It is amazing. There is so much to see, and even if you're not a plane person, great bit of Australian history. Thank you so much. Oh, stewardess, can I please just get an orange juice and, yeah, 7 peanuts, please?
Yeah, there you go.
These are actually very, very comfortable. This is ridiculous. This is like, I could just sleep here. Could fly to Bali in one of these bad boys. So if you're asking yourself why is Elise not in any of this video, it's because she's not feeling video fresh today. But there she is, look out, oh, look out. We're at the Botanical Gardens at Hamilton. And we're taking the puppies because they're allowed. Hey, Bub.
Yeah.
Do you let weapons in this gym? What about these cannons? Oh, is that your eye?
Oh, that's dark. Oh, ow. So I'm going to be really quick and do this because our battery is going low. But we made skewers tonight. Yes, we made them. We didn't buy them. We're going to do them on the Weber. We're going to do them on the Weber, even though it's windy. Fuck, I can't even talk. Let's just got me? We're going to see if we can find a platypus. There is an actual platypus lookout in Hamilton. Baba, are you ready to see a platypus? Yes, I am.
Enthusiasm, Baba. You ready to see a platypus?
Yes, I am.
Yes, we are. Let's go find a platypus. You know the chances of seeing a platypus in the wild are like...
I've already seen one before.
Where?
When I was a kid. We were away camping at a property for horse riding. We were doing a... I can't even remember his name now.
Right.
But anyway, we were like camping and yeah, they have platypus in the river there.
Well, we have an expert with us. We are definitely going to see one. Let's go. Well, it's a Quittin and Trippin Christmas, and we've got a lamb to put on the spit, about to start the fire. We've made our phone calls, it's almost 12 o'clock and it's almost 4 o'clock somewhere, so we're gonna have a couple of cheeky ones and relax. So Merry Christmas, and I hope you guys have had a great day. Obviously you're gonna see this after Christmas, but hey, enjoy. Hope Santa was nice to you.
one for Bundy, and one for Bella. Oh, Bella's disappointed. I think it's too early.
It's the last day of their house sit. I'm just gonna tidy up the van. I'm gonna take everything out of the van, start from fresh. After 2 months on the road, it's time for a spring clean.
We have been in Hamilton, Victoria for the last almost 2 weeks now, house sitting, and we haven't gone out for lunch or dinner or anything at all because we've had a full kitchen and we've just been cooking at home. So today we have treated ourselves, well, we are treating ourselves to lunch out. Yeah, so we are treating ourselves to lunch, and yeah, so we're just gonna have a chill afternoon. We leave tomorrow, not sure where we're going, don't have any plans. So yeah.
Going home.
We have ended up at, I think it's called Nigretta Falls. We couldn't get down to the base of the waterfall. There was people swimming there. So we are at the river. Well, the tables have turned and Daniel isn't feeling very camera friendly today. I just wanted to jump on and say thank you so much for watching our videos, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks.
Yeah, quittin' and trippin'. That's the life we're living, rolling on through this great Aussie land.